So after you mix the flour and the water, you should have a nice fluffy ball like this. You cut a little ball, you round it, and when you pat it a couple times, there should be no cracks on the masa. You put it on the press, and then you flip it on your hand. You put it on a medium heat skillet or comal, and you wait about 30 seconds. Don't let it cook all the way. If not, it will not bubble up.
Cuando viene esa bombita, porque está cocinando y no se debe dejar que se cocine completamente.
You shouldn't let it cook all the way through for the first flip. And then you flip it. So the center of the comal will be hotter than the outside. So after you flip it the first time, you put it around the edge. And then you keep rotating it around so the center is heating up the outside like this.
Echar otra si quieres.
After you flip it a couple times, you check to see. Look for the texture like this. And this is your last flip. As the tortilla starts to bubble up with the bubble, you press it a couple times to spread that bubble around.
Sí, la dejaron cocer toda completamente.
So it's 3 flips. The first flip is about 30 seconds. The second one, you rotate it around, so on the outside. And then the last flip should bubble up.
Perfect.
Perfect. Okay, so for this part, we're gonna make multiple tortillas at the same time. Again, remember to don't let it cook all the time. In this case, the tortilla ripped a little bit, so it might be difficult to create a bubble at the end, as you will see later in the video. So while that one's cooking, you make another tortilla and you press it. Remember to flip it on your hand. So we're gonna wait a little bit so this one's cooked. Get it out of the way. So once you're able to flip it and put it on the edge. And put the other one towards the center. Just flip it on your hand. ¿La primera ya está? ¿Para voltearla?
Ya la di vuelta. Esa tapar el agujerito. Tal vez no se infle por la rompida, pero de acá soy. ¿Sí la ve?
Yeah, that one had a little hole, so it might not create a bubble all the way
No
through.
igual que la otra, pero sí. Vamos a ver la otra. Está muy chiquito como. Ya le di vuelta. Ahí está. Así como no tiene hoyos, se siente.
Nice and fluffy.